water. Not too cold. Not too cold. Alright, so walking up here, we noticed all these handprints on the wall. They are fresh mud. I'm not saying we discovered some crazy hieroglyphics, but obviously everyone who's come up here has kind of left their mark behind. So we are going to do it as well. Okay, where? Oh, I like those two under there.
Straight in front of us.
Right there? I like it, yeah. So we knew we couldn't get that lucky, and a bunch of people showed up down by the waterfall. So we hiked down the trail kind of along the creek, riverbed, whatever you want to call it. And it was very rocky at first, and now we came to a spot where it's kind of, what kind of rock is this? I don't know, but it's all lumpy and smooth, and it kind of looks like the face of Mars and stuff. So, and the sun came out, so we are kind of bathing ourselves now. Not really, just figuratively. But you can see all the weird lumpy bumpinesses.